Hello, namaste, welcome. I'm Anna Breeze, and I think we're live. Yep, we're now live. Hello, welcome in. I'm Anna Breeze. Thank you for joining me today as we sing to Lord Ganesha to remove obstacles in our lives that might be holding us back from our new beginnings that are waiting for us. And it's a perfect time to just think about what we want to let go of, especially as we're moving more into the autumn. We're doing that in the UK just now. And, just to clear away any debris within us and also in our lives that might be holding us back from our full expression, from our most authentic self. So join me now as we sing Om Ganesha. And also I invite you to join me live this Wednesday the 3rd in St Paul's Hall, Rothsea, Isle of Bute, if you're local, where we'll be coming together in our Heart Soul Voice Circle to sing, relax, open our voices, and sing together in community and oneness. But for now, join me if you feel moved to, or just have this on in the background as you're doing the dishes or whatever, and allow the music to just play along. Gan thank you for joining me for this song to Lord Ganesha to remove obstacles. And if you're interested in joining in with me live this Wednesday, the 3rd, I'll be at St Paul's Hall in Rothesay, Iowa Butte at 6:30. Look forward to seeing you then. Take care for now.